I would like to introduce this CLAYCRAFT by DECO Silky Smooth Clay. Many people ask how to use this clay and how to mix the color. So I have all this sample here. What's the difference between regular soft clay and a silky smooth clay? For example, you see all these beautiful berries here. All these strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. You see how smooth and shine look? Those are all made from this clay. These berries, succulents, like a stem like this, that's also made of the silky smooth clay. So what you can do is, this comes in like this package like this. It's all white clay, and mix with the soft clay together. It's very smooth. For example, if you want to make like this berry, all you need is just mix this color together. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to lose this smooth type of texture. So maybe about half is the most that you want to mix together. If you go more than half, it's more than likely it's going to be like a soft clay. So you mix this clay. If you want to make it more shiny, all you need is just add the semi-gloss after everything dry. This one basically just use the straight white silky smooth clay and then mix some of the light green and no semi-gloss, but still nice smooth texture. This succulent, we mix the black clay and we paint a little bit. This berries, same thing with this, just adding a semi-gloss. And it's air dry. All you need is just mix a little bit of the CLAYCRAFT by DECO Soft Clay. Enjoy!